Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to sign in with another account on your PlayStation 4. Now this is easy to do. Hold down the PlayStation button, open up the quick menu, and you want to go on over to where it says Power right here on the bottom. Then go over to where it says Switch User. Otherwise, you could log out of your PlayStation 4. But let's go to Switch User, and it's going to bring you to this screen where you can see all the different accounts on your PlayStation. We want to go over to where it says New User and select this, and we want to create a new user on our PlayStation. Otherwise, you do have the option to play as guest, log in temporarily to the PlayStation without creating a user. But we want to go up to create a user right here and select this, accept the agreement. Then you can go to PlayStation Network and you can create a PlayStation Network account. Otherwise, you can sign in with an existing PlayStation Network account by simply typing in your email address and password when this loads. Sign in with your PlayStation name and the password right here, and you should be good to go. Otherwise, create a brand new account right here on the bottom, and you will need a valid email address that you can verify. So you will need your phone or a computer at hand and an email address. So once you do that, you can go back to the login menu and you'll be able to log in with your account, and it will show up under this list. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixGaming.